Alright guys, so now that we've kind of had a bit of a look over of what the website looks like and the two different parts to the website, I'll just take you through what we're going to call or refer to as the backend or control panel to the website. And this is where you will input your information, input your content, and be able to manage your content. This is really quite, once you get a hang of it, it's quite easy to really navigate, and it is quite user friendly. So what you want to do is go to up in the URL, the browser URL bar, which is this thing up here. You want to type in www.pzda.org.au, and then you want to put a / and then have administrator. So type in administrator and then press enter, and you'll be taken to this screen here. So this is where you will put in similar to or exactly the same information as you would on the actual Pursuit website, where you'd put in your username and password. You put your username, the same username and password, into this. So depending on what your username and password is, it might be different, but mine is a little bit more complicated because it kind of needs to be the way it is. Mine's quite technical, but it's probably recommended that you guys use more simpler, easy to remember username and passwords. And then after all that data is entered, press login, and you'll be taken to here. So this is the first time you come here is probably going to be quite confusing. I know that it was for me the first time, thinking what's all this, but please don't stress when you come here, because when you look at it, all the different information, it's actually quite easy to get your head around. So logged in users, my name was super user, so yours will be your username. So how many users are logged in will be displayed here, only one at the moment. The most popular articles of the website are listed here. Recently added articles listed here. And so it may look confusing, but really when you read the information and really start to grasp it, it's actually quite easy to learn. And just down here is just a menu of, it's pretty self-explanatory really to add a new article to Article Manager, but we're going to go over all what this means later on. But I just wanted to introduce you to the control panel and what it kind of looks like and how to get there. So I think next we'll just go on to really learning what all these different terminologies are, like users, menus, content, components, extensions, articles. Articles is the big one, but just to get you a grasp of what it looks like and what you need to do to get in there. So stay tuned.